ดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ ดิฉันสายอรุณคิริแก้วนะคะ จากปูเป้เจมทอค่ะ เข้ามากันหรือยัง วันนี้นะคะจะมาพูดถึงเรื่องพลอยที่แสดงปรากฏการณ์ทางแสงนะคะ หรือว่า Phenomena Gems. Today I'm gonna talk about Phenomena Gems. For example, Star Gems, Cat Eye Gems, Color Change Gems, gem with play of color like effect, iridescent and orient, yeah. And the last one, gem with adolescent, labadolescent and aventurescent. วันนี้นะคะจะมาพูดถึงพลอยที่แสดงปรากฏการณ์ทางแสงนะคะอันแรกนะคะก็คือพลอยสตาร์ค่ะที่2ก็คือเป็นแคทอายนะคะพลอยตาแมวนะคะหรือว่าแล้วก็อีกอันนึงเป็นคัลเลอร์เชนจ์เจมค่ะหรือว่าพลอยที่แสดงการเปลี่ยนสีนะคะต่อมานะคะจะเป็นพลอยที่แสดงการเล่นสีค่ะแล้วก็แสดงการเหลือบสีนะคะของแต่ละประเภทของพลอยนะคะแล้วก็อีกอันนึงนะคะจะเป็นพลอยที่แสดงการเหลือบสีเล่นสีเหมือนกันนะคะ adolescent หรือว่า labadolescent หรือว่า aventurescent นะคะเดี๋ยวเรามาดูแต่ละหัวข้อกันเลยดีกว่านะคะเริ่มด้วย star gem นะคะ so we start with star gems hello สวัสดีค่ะ helloตัวแรกนะคะพลอยที่แสดงสตาร์อันนี้เป็นตัวอย่างนะคะตัวอย่างพลอย Star Ruby นะคะก็จะเป็นรูปดาวแบบนี้แล้วก็อาจจะมีแฉกแล้วแต่นะคะที่จะแสดง1 2 3 4 5 6 แฉกนะคะเดี๋ยวมาดูกันเลย Star gem display band of light that reflect from intersection needle or needle-like inclusion. They create a shape that usually has 4 or 6 rays. The phenomenon is called asterism. For base effect, star gem require careful cutting as cabochon. Star sapphire is one of the best. 1 minute. I will do the song. Okay. And star sapphire is one of the best known of those, but there are many others in the market. A variety of synthetic or imitation add to the separation sharing ensemble stone that display stars are also available in a variety of colors. You will find complete information on them in the ensemble stones section that start on the next page. อันนี้นะคะจะพูดถึงเรื่องพลอยที่แสดงการปรากฏการณ์ทางแสงที่เป็นรูปดาวนะคะก็คือเกิดจาก inclusion ที่เป็น needle นะคะก็คือ it made from needle right needle intersection. For example, this is the stone if have needle like this, right? So star you will see the line. So this if you see one line is called cat eye, right? But the orange the way of needle, if needle go like this 1 2 3 4 5 is too much needle this way, right? And then the reflection will, you will see this line. So if one line is called cat's eye. So if have two lines and one more, for example, if you have too much needle this way, you see this, right? If you have too much needle this way, right? This way, and you will see one more line like this. So this is star 2 ray. Okay, it has you see 1 2, you see 4 ray, right? One is like 4 ray. Or you see this, I speak correct or not? It's called 4 ray, right? โอเค อันนี้เป็นสตาร์4ขานะคะ หรือว่าถ้าจะเป็น6ขามันก็จะเป็น if 6 ray อันนี้ 4 ray นะ 4 ray อันนี้ 6 ray if 6 ray you see this maybe one like little like this, right? So 1 ray, and then like this you see one more ray, so 2 ray, right? And then you see one more ray. Okay, and then so finally you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 or 6, huh? And you tell me wait no. I teach right or wrong, huh? Nico, can you tell me this is 6 ray or 8 ray? Can you tell me, huh? Anyone here? This is 6 ray or 8 ray, huh? This is 8 ray, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, if you see 6 ray, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you see 6 ray, right, and the needle will go like this, needle will go like this, 1, right, and 2 and 3. So needle will go like this. I don't have another pen that you can see. So 1 2 and then 3. So this 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6 ray. And this is 8 ray. That you see 1 2 3 4, right? 4, and then when you count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8. This is 8 ray. Okay. 1 2 3 4. This is 4 ray. Is this correct? What is wrong? Need only 6. Who said? What said? What is need only 6? You make 8, but it wrong. Need only 6. So which one? Which one 6? Can you tell this is 6 or what? Can you tell me? Now okay. So what? I say correct or not? So this is 4 ray, okay? 4 ray, okay, right? Can you say okay? 4 ray, correct? Correct? Okay? And 8 ray, correct? And 6 ray, correct? Okay. 6 is okay. Now okay, 6 is okay. So 8 ah? Yes, it's correct. Okay, thank you. But you know too much dairy. So right now, perfect. Thank you. And you can see 4-star gem, many gems that have star. For example, star only 4, 6, and 12 star. 4, 6, 12. So no have 8 ah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So no 8. Hmm? No 8 ah? 12 sometime in column. 12, okay, thank you. You can see 12 ray in column. Yeah, my friend Jim Morrissey tell me that. Okay, no, so I have 6 ray. I don't have 8 ray, no. So he said 4, 6, and 12 star. Okay. Then I will tell you, for example, about star gem. First one, star corundum. Okay, and second, synthetic star corundum, and you can see in synthetic star corundum also, and star garnet, including almandine and pyroalmandine. Third, star spinel, and fourth, star diopside, and then star beryl, and star quartz, and star autoclase, and then okay. For star condom variety, star ruby, orangey red to purplish red. Hello. Star sapphire, light to dark violet, bluish violet, pale blue to strongly greenish blue. Other color designed by color, for example, black star sapphire. Therefore, the species is corundum. General observation: semi-transparent to opaque, usually with a 6-ray star. 12-ray star are rare. That, as my friend said, is correct. 12 stars are rare, right? But when their occur is usually in dark blue to black gems, light to dark purplish red to purple red stone are star ruby. Star sapphire occur in purple, plum, violet, blue, greenish blue, gray, and dark toned or brown, green, and blue. The trace cell dark grayish black or brownish black material at black star sapphire. Orange and yellow star corundum is almost unknown, and green is rare. Combination of 6-ray star that's less than perfect in terms of sharpness or orientation. Hello. Corini, how you know that 4, 6, 12? Okay, thank you for coming. Yeah, I don't wanna talk more detail, so I will show you really quick how to get the star. This is inclusion inside the needle like this, right? The orientation. If needle overly heavy, if the needle orientation this right, this line, and you will see the the star like this way. So this is the picture. The angular growth in this star sapphire prove that it is natural. Okay, see natural. The perpendicular orientation of at least one ray to the growth pattern strongly suggests to asterism is natural and not diffusion indeed. If you see needle inside and you see the star like this, is natural. You see how many kilo this book. This one more. Corundum with star indeed by lattice diffusion. Lattice diffusion trees star might be unnatural shape. Color might be confined to the stone surface and concentrate around the girdle edge. So it is star. So this is the picture in the natural star sapphire with the star. That is not a result of lattice diffusion treatment. At least one of the star rays will be perpendicular to the growth zoning. Okay, and one more. The rutile needle in the lattice diffusion treat as star corundum are typically confined to a shallow layer below the surface. Okay, to have only surface. They assemble those in synthetic star corundum. Okay, you might see color concentration in pit, cavity, and surface. Reaching fracture in the corundum with asterism indeed by lattice treatment. Sorry that very fast so you can see closely. Okay, like this. This is the example for lattice. Okay. Hello. Yeah, this is lattice diffusion. This is for example. Okay. And flame fusion synthetic stars corundum is, you can see very easy to separate. See the shape and so sharp, it's unnatural. And I will tell you inside. They make a synthetic ruby, synthetic star ruby, synthetic star sapphire, and other color designed by color. And unusually has a combination of an unnatural shape where center thick gray star and strong blue and red body color. Although many other body color including black, gray, and white are possible. Okay, this one is flame fusion, and the back for the back stone, and you will see flat, and you can see visible curve that man-made. That tell you the day before. If man-made, you see a curve like it, and this curve glowed invisible on dot flame fusion synthetic star sapphire. If you cannot see it clear, I will make a short video. So just the picture that you can separate. Maybe 5 minutes or something like that if I have time. So right now just full video. Okay, they have like star garnet. This is a picture of star garnet. This garnet display a 4-ray star. You see 4-ray star. One, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now this is 4-ray. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4-ray star. The needle go like this. If needle go like this, right, and you will see the line one line, and then the needle orientation this way. You see one more, right, cross like this. So it's 4-ray. It's a picture of 4-ray garnet. That garnet is natural stone. You can see also. And star spinel. Star spinel commonly opaque with a dark tone, low saturation, purplish color. Rare stone might be a saturated red color. So I will show you really quick for the picture of spinel, star spinel. And you might show it might show 4 or 6 ray star gem. Cut as sphere might show both, depend on viewing orientation. Okay. They say you can see 4-ray or 6-ray in star spinel. So this is star spinel. You can see 4-ray or 6-ray. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6-ray here. Hello, thank you for coming. Star diopside. Star diopside, commonly semi-translucent to opaque, dark green to black, with 4-ray star showing 1 sharp ray and 1 diffuse ray. 6-ray stars are possible but rare. Vitreous, Polish, raster, conchoidal, something like that. So this is a picture for star diopside. I have a sample also, and I will show you right now. Where is it? Okay. Wait. Wait 1 minute. Okay, I forgot. I bring already, but I think I forgot, but I'm not. Here is star dioxide. You see? You can see or not? You see the line like that? Cannot see, no? Okay. Cannot see. So this is dioxide. You see the ray. This ray, 4 rays. Like that. I don't know. And next, Starberry, Starberry, variety Star Morganite, Star Aquamarine, Star Emerald, Star Heliodor, and another color, right? And you can see six gray star. Depend on cutting orientation, some stone might show a combination of six ray star and multiple four ray star. Just four ray star or just four ray star, something like that. Typically dark yellowish brown to black with a weak six ray star. So you can see six ray or four ray, something like that. Hello. And one more star quartz. Now have a picture for Starberry. So this is a picture of star dioxide that I showed you, the stone, the small stone. If you wanna see big, this is a big picture. Okay, have four ray. And one more star quartz. Okay, display a six gray star. Star often appear on both sides of large double cabochon. See. Like that. And star orchid. I have the stone also star orchid. Okay, this is a big picture of star orchid. But inside you can see a venturescent in star stone in course. It's called a mass of needle and elongate hematite inclusion. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Feldspar cabochon show strong asterism as well as venturescent. So this said have a venturescent and then have the star also just in one stone. So star orchid variety star moonstone display asterism and adolescent. Star moon star sunstone display asterism and venturescent. Star sunstone moonstone display asterism, adolescent and venturescent. Okay, general observation, you see semi-transparent to opaque. Typically colorless to white with blue or white adolescent and asterism. Reddish brown or venturescent material might show invisible plate like inclusion along with a distinct four-ray star. Okay. Silvery adolescent might also be seen along the girdle edge. Whitish polished luster and even to spindly fracture. So I show you this stone. Foray. Let me check foray. This is foray. See? See or not? Foray. This one also foray. You see? You see? Like that. It's showing asterism as well as adolescent. You see foray. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Cross. This is star sunstone. Star sunstone display asterism, foray, and venturescent. Okay. Okay, see? This is not, you cannot see like that. Is it not okay? See, like that. Okay. Is it foray also? Okay. Foray. Is one or two? Will be foray but not clear. If you look inside, you will see the hematite. I'm not sure. That you see. Maybe I show a picture later and video. And for example, yeah. For the star, the cat eye. Next is cat eye. Cat eye the same. Cat eye. Needle. Orientation. And you see one line. So this is cat eye. อันนี้คือตาแมวนะคะ แล้วก็เส้นเข็มมันจะวางตัวแนวนี้นะคะ แล้วก็อันนี้จะเป็นทิศทางแสงที่เราสามารถเห็นก็เห็นเป็นรูปตาแมวนะคะ Cat's eye. For cat's eye gems display a phenomena called chatoyancy when they are properly cut and light streak them is just the right way. They show concentrate band of light across their cabochon cut top. The light is reflected from parallel needle like inclusion or halo tube. Many gems such as garnet, corundum, and chrysoberyl have chatoyancy varieties because cat's eye gems are in demand in the marketplace. You will also see many synthetic and imitation versions of them. For example, cat eye gems. Cat eye gems, gem material, cat eye and dye garnet. Cat eye specitite garnet. Cat eye corundum, cat eye chrysoberyl, cat eye alexandrite chrysoberyl, synthetic cat eye alexandrite chrysoberyl, and cat eye zoisite, cat eye diopside, cat eye conopie, and cat eye enstatite, cat eye thelimanite, cat eye peridot, cat eye apatite. Hello. Cat eye tourmaline, cat eye actinolite, cat eye beryl, inclusion cat eye emerald, cat eye scapolite, cat eye quartz, eye quartz, and tiger eye, including dye, cat eye autoclave or moonstone, cat eye obsidian, cat eye opal, and cat eye glass. And I will tell you just not at all. I will tell you just for the picture, for the and the detail. You can teach it by yourself with a good book about gemology. So this is the picture. It's possible for dematoid garnet to show chatoyancy, but it's very rare. Dematoid. You see, one line and needle orientation like this. Okay. This is cat eye. Dematoid, and one more is possible but rare. But for Spacetile garnet to show Catoyancy. And cat eyes key strawberry often display fine quality Catoyancy against the yellow. Okay. Is it against a yellow to yellow with green to honey colored background? Cat eye alexandrite. You can see cat eye alexandrite too is very good. Alexandrite have color change, and then you also found cat eye like this. Okay, cat eye. Cat eye alexandrite show off its color change in fluorescent light in the left, and then incandescent light right. Is also a feature a fine sharp eye. Its light change, color change. Okay, this color. For cat eye alexandrite species, Histoberil general observation display a combination of Catoyancy and color change from yellowish, brownish, greenish, or bluish green in daylight or fluorescent light to orangey or brownish red to purplish red in incandescent light, white red to subadamantine polite, raster conchoidal fracture with white red to grassy fracture raster, and synthetic cat eye alexandrite. Hello คุณทฤษฎีไร้ระเบียบคุณ Hello ลาลาลาลา Hello คุณชัดชัย Thank you for coming. Hello. Synthetic cat eye alexandrite, and then you can see semi-transparent bluish green in daylight or fluorescent light brownish red to purple red in incandescent light. Okay, so white red in subadamantine. And one more cat eye zoisite variety, cat eye tanzanite, light to medium dark bluish, purplish and violet, blue to violet. Other color designed by color. In zoisite you see semi-transparent to translucent, usually green or violet blue. Tanzanite variety is typically medium dark grayish violet blue with a sharp catoyan blend. So I will show you the picture for cat eye tanzanite. Is an extremely rare in zoisite variety, and one more parallel growth to produce the Catoyancy in these gems, in this green zoisite. Is it green zoisite? Cat eye diopside. You can also see cat eye diopside. The stone that I showed you before is star diopside. This also helps cat eye. Okay, cat eye like it. Cat eye conorupai. Just like that. Can see show fine quality Catoyancy. And then cat eye and star type often have dark green body color. You can see cat eye Solomoni in translucent gray, green or brown with present fibers. Apparent can help you identify it. And polydot microcatoriancy is caused by numerous tiny brown-oriented inclusion. Cat eye appetite. Okay, cat eye appetite is tabular inclusion that cause the catoriancy in appetite are usually finer and less visible than those in cat eye tourmaline. One more, because inclusion in cat eye tourmaline are larger than those in cat eye Kisobrio is catoyan band is cut and less focused. Hello, thank you for coming. Hello. And cat eye actinolite, usually translucent, but you can see semi-transparent to opaque, light to dark green, yellowish green, and black. Cat eye usually green to yellowish green. Okay, this is a picture. Cat eye actinolite is usually translucent. Its catoriancy is caused by vitreous structure rather than by inclusion as in tourmaline and apatite. One more, catoriancy can be present in beryl of any color, but cat eye emerald is the most valuable. The picture. Cat eye scapolite. Some cat eye scapolite fall into the reddish brown or brown range. See the needle elongate palette and dendritic inclusion typical in the scapolite cat eyes. Hello. See cat eye quartz. Okay. Fine inclusion called the catoriancy in cat eye quartz can be semi-transparent to translucent. Semi-transparent material give a DR reaction in periscope. And one more, inclusion can produce catoriancy and color in otherwise colorless quartz. The catoriancy in eyes quartz is caused by fiber structure. Its color is typically gray to grayish blue. Tiger eye quartz. General observation: semi-translucent to opaque, brownish, yellow to brown, reddish brown. This is the picture. This is tiger eye cabochon. Can be cut in a variety of shape and size because the eye is result of structure rather than inclusion. You can see the phenomenon even on flat surface. So semi-translucent to opaque brownish, yellow to brown to reddish brown with wavy Katoyansi. Cat is same color as body color. Katoyansi display doesn't require an intense light source and it might even show on a flat surface like the base of a cabochon. White trace polish luster spinnery fracture with fracture to silky fracture luster. I show you the real stone right now. Yeah, not finished. This is dye concentration and unnatural color proof this tiger eye quartz cabochon were dry. This is dry. This is dye gem and this is natural color. Okay, the dye tiger eye species is quartz, the same quartz but liquid treatment. This is none, and one more is dye, right? General observation: this dye tiger eye quartz semi-translucent to opaque. Any color is possible, including gray, bright blue, red, green. Eyes color different from body color. You see how different natural and dye. So this is the real stone. Where is it? The real. So this is real. Like that. Whoa. Okay. Oh, you can see wavy Katoyansi. You see fibers. It's so beautiful in real stone. Okay. It almost finished. Cat eye autoclave. And you can see a cat's eye autoclave also. Autoclave moonstone can show both Katoyansi and adolescent. The picture. Adolescent and cat eye. And one more. Cat eye opal. See, translucent to opaque. Brownish yellow to yellow with brown body color. This is the picture of opal. And one more cat eye glass in often higher than the RI in non-Katoyansi gas. This is glass. If you see closely, magnification often reveal a honeycomb structure in cat eye glass. This is the structure. When you see in the microscope. So today I'm gonna stop. Only star gem, cat eye, and star. So the next for color change gems, color change gem, and other I will talk tomorrow. Tomorrow I will talk about this is labradorite. Is you see labradolescent effect. You see the reflection of light. It's so beautiful in natural stone. You see blue, green, purple. You see at the bottom the same bottom. Okay. I will talk this tomorrow if I have time enough. And I will show you sunstone. It's imitation. And this is natural. You see the weight is different. Imitation and natural. Oh. Okay. It's more beautiful. Yeah, this is imitation also. It's made from glass. And hematite inclusion inside is man-made. Okay, this is also man-made. They want to make look like this sunstone, but way different. Okay. And this is one more labradorite cabochon. Okay. And this is opal. It's an opal, natural opal. You see, play of color. It's green, orange, something like that. It's natural color. Green, orange, yellow. You see the black opal? You can see play off color. Anyone want a makeup jewelry let me know อันนี้เป็นโอปอลนะคะโอปอลสีดำ black โอปอลแล้วก็เป็น white โอปอลนะคะถ้าเพื่อนๆอยากสั่งทำก็สามารถ inbox เข้ามาได้นะคะจะแสดง play of color นะคะการเล่นสีนะคะอันนี้เหมือนกัน It's so beautiful you see it have like red green blue oh see this is white opal What's next video you would like I do for you? Let me know. Thank you for watching and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye. ขอบคุณนะคะถ้าเพื่อนๆคนไหนอยากให้ทำคลิปวิดีโอเรื่องอะไรนะคะรบกวนคอมเมนต์ด้านล่างนะคะหรือว่ามีคำถามสงสัยก็ถามเข้ามาได้เลยค่ะแล้วเจอกันพรุ่งนี้นะคะขอบคุณมากค่ะปูเป้เจมทอล์กวันนี้ขอลาก่อนนะบ๊ายบายค่ะ